Welcome to the main event, Advantage Machinery's virtual showroom, where here we're going to show you a wide variety of our high-end and automatic shrink wrapping applications. The Advantage Machinery L728 is an entry-level automatic L-bar sealer that's suitable for many applications.
We're running the 728 here with our BC1M 3-foot Infeed conveyor. As you will see on here, we have a polycord Infeed system that's on a stainless steel frame that's easily accessible and removable for washdown applications. The 728 is rated up to 30 pieces per minute, but a good production speed that you can average on it is typically between 20 and 26 pieces per minute. The T201 comes standard with a viewing window which allows the operator to see inside the tunnel as the product's shrinking, which allows the operator to make adjustments to be able to fine-tune and get the perfect package. The removal of the Infeed conveyor is very easy. It's secured with 4 Allen screws, which you do not need to remove. Just loosen them up, and then the operator will go lift up the film inverting head and have easy access to be able to remove the polycord Infeed. Once the operator removes the polycord Infeed, they'll be able to wash it down and let it dry, or you can always get a spare Infeed conveyor, so you could have one ready just to swap out. The removal of the Infeed conveyor takes less than 1 minute. Our Lugged Infeed conveyor comes with a very unique feature that you can see in the bottom of it. It's a lever that allows you to center it for when you change product size. This makes it so you don't have to push it in and out of the way. The FF2M Lugged Infeed system is great for a lot of different print applications or paper applications. Our SAF 45 side accumulation feeder is a very easy to use and efficient way to bundle products. Over here we have it feeding in from the back of the machine, but you could run it from both the back or the front side of the machine in order to be able to go and group different products. You could do a lot of different configurations, multiple rows, in order to be able to get a fully automatic system that you can connect directly to your cartoners or your production lines. Over here we'll zoom in a little bit so you can see our closing conveyor. This allows for the gap to be closed between the seal conveyor and the spacing conveyor so you can run small products.
The Advantage Machinery S50 is a high-speed continuous motion side sealer.
It comes standard with a 6-foot AC-driven belted Infeed conveyor, which is controlled by the touchscreen. The machine has 4 servo motors, the first one being the spacing conveyor that automatically creates the gap between each product. Then you have the side seal and the side seal conveyor that's also servo motor driven, and the takeaway conveyor that's servo motor as well. The box motion that actually drives the cross seal bar back and forth is servo motor controlled. The actual sealing action though is pneumatic, but for the speeds and rates of 80 per minute, that is more than enough. You'll see that the T63 tunnel also comes standard with a large viewing window, a light inside so you can see inside of the tunnel as you're operating, so you can make the perfect package. And the machine has a maintenance hinge in which you can open up the tunnel to be able to do maintenance inside of it.
The Advantage Machinery F50 is a high-speed continuous motion side seal machine with a built-in lugged Infeed conveyor.
We have a hopper installed on this lugged Infeed conveyor in order to facilitate the feeding of uniform products such as books, CDs, and boxes. This machine is a 4-servo motor machine beginning with the lug conveyor that's controlled by the servo motor and creates the spacing. You have a direct lug to film transfer, which allows you to use a lot less film scrap, less than an inch film you could use on it. Then you have the side seal conveyor, the takeaway conveyor, and the box motion are all servo motor as well. This machine can run very stable at 80 pieces per minute. We have it paired with our T63 tunnel, which also has a large viewing window and the maintenance hinge on it. The F50 is perfect for a whole bunch of different applications in paper, consumer products, medical products, and it could be customized with a lot of different type of infeeds and feeding solutions.
Due to the high demands of the e-commerce and fulfillment center industries, we at Advantage Machinery developed the SXE line of 3-belt intermittent side sealers.
The SXE is a 3-belt intermittent side seal, which you have the cross seal that's going to be after the side seal. This allows you to have a lot more control on your film and your scrap. The machine comes standard with a 6-foot belted Infeed conveyor. Everything is controlled through the touchscreen control for ease of operation. This machine was designed so in between different products that are run, the operator can go and just pull up a product from the memory by scanning the barcode of the next product that it's going to run. The operator scans the product, and as you will see, the machine automatically will change size in 5 different adjustment points. Those adjustment points being the width of the product, the inverting head height, the side seal height, and the cross seal height, along also with the position of the roll. The actual roll film carriage, adjust the width per the different size as needed. The operator is always going to grab the very first product that ran through there in order to get the excess bag out of there, and they just press the reset and start button and they're ready for the next production run. This feature is great, particularly for fulfillment centers that are doing a lot of online packaging, that they just need to go and prepare all the same products that come from a single shipment prepared for individual e-commerce business. This facilitates the operators in not needing them to change over every single aspect of the machine. This is going to save on labor, it's going to save on machine wear and tear, and it's going to increase uptime of the equipment tremendously. When the conveyor width change, all you need to do is just change the guides of the Infeed conveyor to be able to match the guide of the first spacing conveyor. in order to continue running product. Optionally, we can also make this feature fully automatic by adding another servo motor and being able to center the Infeed conveyor alongside with the spacing conveyor. Our Infeed belts feature idler rollers underneath the conveyor belts, which allows the conveyor belt to run on top of those rollers, not to create too much tension and stress on the belts. This model machine is great for a lot of different applications, not just the fulfillment centers. This type of machinery is used for odd-shaped products, very tall products, also in textiles and carpet, flooring, a lot of different applications this equipment is suitable for. The machine can run both opaque and clear film using the exact same setup on the machine without any changeover necessary. The tunnel featured on here is a T65 tunnel, which, like the T63, also features the viewing window and the maintenance hinge.
Here at Advantage Machinery, we're very excited to introduce our fully automatic high-end luxury shrink wrap equipment. This machine was designed in order to make the most beautiful finished products in the market. First, we start off by using center folded film and creating a very tight bag in which we're sealing perfectly in the center. After we're done sealing all three sides, we go ahead and cut off the four corners vertically and seal them in order to make a very nice tight final bag. And when we pass it through the tunnel, you'll see that you have a final beautiful product that looks like glass. This is perfect for the high-end consumer electronics industry, such as phones, tablets, computers, and screens.
The operator will feed the product through our entry conveyor. This could be a more automated process also by adding an additional Infeed conveyor prior to our entry point. These machines come standard for the sizes of a smartphone, minimum size, up to a tablet size product. But we can easily custom make them for a lot smaller sizes, or as you can see in this video, a lot larger sizes. The customer for this product makes a lot of high-end consumer goods in terms of screens and computers. As you can see with the product here, the seal's perfectly in the center and the corners being vertically cut and then shrunk, you get absolutely no dog ears. So you get the absolute best looking product you could get on the market in an automatic machine. Even the bottom looks perfect.
Thank you for visiting Advantage Machinery's virtual showroom. We at Garrido pride ourselves in providing high-quality equipment with the best customer service and support available. Please make sure to reach out to us for any packaging needs you may have.